Hi guys, it's Pom Tom here, and today we are going to be making Halloween brownies. These are so easy and great for a Halloween party or an idea to do something with the kids at home for the holidays. And they taste amazing. Before we get into the ingredients, if you want more easy recipes, just click my logo at the bottom right corner to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get right into the ingredients. First, you'll need a box of brownie mix, a bag of medium-sized marshmallows, 1 egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a third of a cup of vegetable oil, 1/4 of a cup of water, chocolate chips or spare chocolate, whatever you got, white vanilla frosting, and a Ziploc bag. Now for the prep. First, you will need a large mixing bowl. As you can see here, add your brownie mix, egg, the water, the vegetable oil, and the vanilla extract to the bowl and mix together thoroughly. Now spray your nonstick brownie pan and use the directions on your box to heat your oven. I did 350 degrees for 25 minutes. While those are baking, take the vanilla frosting and add about 5 tablespoons to a microwavable cup and microwave until it completely melts to liquid form. When the brownies are ready, cut to desired size. I did a terrible job of cutting these, but just be careful as the brownies are very fluffy and can easily break. Then, using the vanilla frosting as glue, take your marshmallows and plop them in the center of the brownies. Now we can take our vanilla frosting that is melted and add it to a Ziploc bag. We then need to cut a corner thinly and use to squeeze the frosting over the top of the marshmallow. And all I can say here is be generous. Then these can go into the fridge for 30 minutes to allow the frosting to dry. While these are drying, take your chocolate chips and melt those down with some water. I use my microwave again, but feel free to use your stovetop and a medium or small saucepan. And now you can show off your artistic skills. As you can see here, I'm using a skewer to create the eyes and the mouth for the ghost by dipping it into the chocolate. But you can be as creative as you want here. If you make a mistake, it's not a big deal. Just use the other non-dipped end of the skewer and pull away or push the chocolate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please take 1 second to click the thumbs up icon down below. I would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and happy Halloween, everyone.